Hi, this is Rick here. You should have printed out this college search and selection data form. There's a tendency for many students to skip over this, but there is real value in doing this. It shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. Some of the information is very obvious, writing your name down. I find a lot of times students don't even really know their academic data, what their class rank is. It should be in a form of number so-and-so out of so many students. You should know your GPA. The first one says without honors weight. Then it shows your GPA with the honors weight. If you're taking honors classes or advanced classes, your GPA will be higher than on what is known as a 4.0 scale. Colleges are going to want to know what your GPA is on a 4.0 scale. That's this one here. If you're taking honors classes, mark this. You can mark where you are percentage-wise in your class. This is for your information. This next section is designed to give you a picture of who you are personally, the things that you feel you're strong in, the things that you're weak in, and it will just help you when you start trying to make decisions based on college, selecting colleges and those types of things. You can list here if you have a major that you're interested in. If undecided, mark undecided. If you're thinking about going to graduate school, you could make a notation there about that. If you have in mind certain areas, either a region or a state or so far from home that you want to go to college, go ahead and mark that. Then in the next section, do your preferences, whether you want to go to a 2-year or 4-year school, and some of the other things that you might like in a college. Sometimes you're not really sure and won't know some of these things. Part of this process of just doing this form as to get you thinking a little bit, because these are things that you're going to have to deal with as you go along. Most of this is pretty self-explanatory. Again, with this area here, you can mark, what type of campus you might want, large city, and so on. Ultimately, when it comes to making a decision, this is going to help you. As you get down to the bottom of the page, you can indicate if you have any other interests that you want to pursue in college or things that you want the college to have. And then if you have some colleges that you're interested in, go ahead and write them down here. I find most times that students will change as time goes on, but this gives us a starting point, and believe it or not, your subconscious mind will start to work with some of this and will actually assist you as you go along in this process. Now, this form was designed when I was doing one-on-one consultations with students and parents, so I had the students sign it and the parents sign it as well. You really don't have to do that. This is for your own information. I hope you take the time to do this, and I highly recommend that you have a little notebook where you can punch holes in the side of the paper and keep these things. There's going to be some other things to add to it as you go along. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.